Stop scrolling. What if I told you that the most successful news anchors in 2026 aren't human? They don't eat, they don't sleep, and they don't take a salary. They are AI-driven faceless channels, and they are quietly generating over $5,000 every single month. While most people are struggling to get 100 views, a secret group of creators is using a triple threat AI strategy to dominate the US news market without ever showing their face. In this video, I'm not just giving you a tutorial, I'm giving you the keys to a digital kingdom. I will show you the exact step-by-step process of how to use ChatGPT 5 for investigative scripting, ElevenLabs for human-grade narration, and Pictory for automated cinematic editing. If you stay until the very end, I'm going to reveal a secret viral trigger that forced the YouTube algorithm to push one of my new channels to 1 million views in just 14 days. You've seen the news. Now it's time to own the network. Let's build your empire. Before we build, you need to understand why we target the USA. In the world of YouTube, not all views are created equal. A view from the US can pay up to 10 times more than a view from other regions. This is called high CPM. News is the ultimate high-attention niche. Whether it's AI, tech news, US economy shifts, or SpaceX updates, people in the West are hungry for fast, reliable info. When you create a faceless news channel, you are solving a problem. You are saving people time. You're the filter. And because it's faceless, your brand is the news, not your ego. This makes your channel an asset that you can eventually sell for 6 figures. This isn't just a YouTube channel, it's a business model. Step 1. Finding what's breaking. Forget manual searching. Go to Google Trends and filter for the United States. Look for breakout topics in science and tech. Once you find a topic like new AI regulations in Washington, you don't just copy-paste a news article. You go to ChatGPT and use this premium USA-style prompt. Act as a lead editor for a major US news network. Research the latest facts on topic. Write a 1,500-word, high-retention script. Use a professional yet conversational tone. Start with a shocking fact. Include 3 main segments with curiosity loops, and end with a thought-provoking question for the comments. This ensures your script isn't boring. It builds a story arc that keeps the audience watching until the very last second. Remember, watch time is the only metric that matters to the YouTube algorithm. Step 2. Giving your channel a soul. People will forgive average visuals, but they will leave immediately if the audio is bad. In 2026, we use ElevenLabs. But here is the professional secret. Do not use the default settings. For a news channel, you need an authoritative narrative voice. Use the professional voice cloning feature or select Adam or Marcus. Set the stability to 40% and clarity to 75%. This adds human-like breaths and pauses. It makes your audience believe they're listening to a seasoned journalist in a New York studio. This trust is what turns a viewer into a long-term subscriber. Step 3. The assembly. This is where your video comes to life using Pictory.ai. You don't need to be a pro editor. When you paste your 1,500-word script into Pictory, the AI does the heavy lifting. It matches your words with 4K premium footage. Pro tip for best results. In Pictory, select the highlight feature to automatically create bold captions in the center of the screen. In 2026, fast-moving captions are the key to brain rot style high retention. It keeps the viewer's eyes locked on the screen. Use high-contrast colors like yellow and white on a dark background. This looks professional and is incredibly easy to read on mobile devices. Final step, the viral trigger. You have a 10-minute masterpiece, but if nobody clicks, you have nothing. Your thumbnail must tell a story. Use high-intensity images. A red breaking news banner is a must. For your title, use the gap theory. Instead of saying AI is changing news, say the trillion-dollar AI shift nobody is talking about. It creates a knowledge gap that the viewer must click to fill. Combine this with your 1,500-word deep dive script, and you have a video that YouTube will promote to the entire world. Building a faceless news empire is the single most powerful way to leverage AI in 2026. It's consistent, It's scalable, and it pays in high-value US dollars. If you want my personal prompt library for ChatGPT to get these scripts perfectly every time, comment AI Empire below, and I'll send it to you. Don't just watch the news, start making it. Hit subscribe to EduFacts TV for the next level of your AI journey. I'll see you in the next one.